Hello, today we are going to look at Google Jamboard. Google Jamboard is a free digital whiteboard that you can use in your virtual tutoring sessions. You don't have to download it. It should already be in your Chrome menu. It's a good tool to use if you plan on screen sharing during your tutoring sessions, and especially if you want to interact with any images during your session. So first I will show you how to get to Jamboard. First, click on your Google Chrome icon. When you get to the Google homepage, click on the 9 dots in the upper right-hand corner. From here, scroll down to Jamboard, click on it, and it will take you to your Jamboard. Now, Jamboard and whiteboard mean the same thing. They are synonymous. Jamboard is just what Google calls their whiteboards. To make a new Jamboard, which is a whiteboard, click on the orange button in the lower right-hand corner titled New Jam. This should take you to your fresh, clean whiteboard. And this is what you would screen share in your tutoring sessions. In order to interact with your whiteboard, you can use any of the tools in the left-hand corner. The tool that you will probably use the most is the pen tool, which comes in several widths and colors. So it should look like this. And if you want to erase, the erase tool is located right below the pen tool. If you want to save your Jamboard and come back to it later, simply click on Untitled Jam. You can rename it whatever you want. And whenever you click on the Jamboard site, it should be there waiting for you. In a later video, we will go over how to import images onto your Jamboard, which you can then interact with using the pen tool and the erase tool. But we will cover that more in depth in a later video. For now, I hope this has been useful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.